after all these years, it still gives that high, right? You heard it first, and now it's official.
Yeah.
We are at CNBC-TV18 told you this is likely to be the case, and bang on, that's what happened. Tilaknagar Industries has gone ahead and acquired Imperial Blue from Pernod for around 4,150 crore rupees. Now, this is a massive deal in itself. Why is that? Because the deal is close to around $500 million, and it's the largest deal since United Spirits Diageo took place. And the numbers are telling the picture. That's what Tilaknagar's revenues are. You know, since they're acquiring Imperial Blue, it'll go up by nearly around 3 times. So from a 1,400 crore company, they're going to become a 4,500 crore company. Even if you look at it in terms of cases sold, from around 11.9 million cases, now they'll get added close to around 22 million cases. So in totality, the capacity is going up by nearly around, from around 11, it's going up by 3 times. So there'll be 33 million tons or thereabouts. The management says it'll be EPS accretive immediately. That's a positive in this sell because the street is a little bit cautious whether or not they were looking to take a larger sip than what they can handle. But the deal is done at around 1.3 times, on sales, which is pretty good. Sales is around 3,000 crores. They've done it around 4,100 crores. 1.3 times is something that the street would like, and they're getting a penetration into the largest segment in India, which is the whiskey market, which is 63% of India's alcohol market. The breakup of the debt as well as equity, what they have taken a go-ahead to maximum amount, 2,500 crores of equity. Maximum amount in terms of debt will be 4,000 crores. So we'll have to wait by to see what is the exact split between this. As of the last recorded number, they had more than 100 crores of cash. The key to track from here on will be Imperial Blue's margins. How can they scale up those margins? Point number 1. Point number 2, they're talking about cost benefits because they're saying it's going to be EPS accretive right out of the, right from the word go itself. So we'll keep an eye on both those 2 parameters. But why does the street like this? Because it's giving them scale. Suddenly they're moved into the big league. They're going to be a 4,500 crore revenue company. They're also going to be getting pan-India presence in comparison to South India presence. And they're going to be diversifying away from just being a brandy player only in South India to a pan-India player in the whiskey market. So even after such a big run-up that you've seen in the last few sessions, the street